Hello guys, can you identify the CNC insert code? Today we will take you through the naming rules of CNC inserts. Internationally, there are main three different naming rules for the CNC inserts: ANSI, ISO, and JIS. Today we will mainly explain the ISO naming rule for you. The first one, T means insert shape. T means equilateral triangle insert. There are different shapes, like this one. It is W shape. N means insert clearance angle. N means 0-degree clearance angle. It can be used on both sides. M, the tolerance class. M class is used for normal metalworking. If the workpiece has higher tolerance or surface finish requirement, you'd better choose a higher tolerance insert like G or K class. G, the insert feature. It shows the basic structure of the insert, such as whether there is a chip breaker, inner hole structure, etc. This part is describe the insert size. 16 means cutting edge length. 16 refer to 16.5 mm. 04 is the thickness. 04 refer to 4.76 mm. 08 corner radius. 08 means R 0.8 mm. Common corner radius include 02, 04, 08, 12, 16. And this one is the chip breaker. Different company has different chip breaker. Like this MAL chip breaker is suitable for semi-finishing processing. And this is the grade. Different company has different grade information. For example, this grade UTM 625 from our company is mainly used for stainless steel processing. It has good thermal stability, silicone coating, and good nano hardness. The above is all about the ISO standard naming rules of CNC inserts. If you have any questions about CNC tools, please leave a message in the comment area. We are waiting for you.